Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chimba Masigari Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon, natutingin natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is special gabay for the month of September 19 hanggang September 25 for the sign of Aries. So Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino makayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa akin channel, please click your subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ito na mensahe sa inyo ng ating mga gabay for the sign of Aries. There is a Three of Pentacles and the Nine of Pentacles. Sinasabi dito na about sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo ay may mukhang dadapuin ka na ng swerte kasi mukhang lalakas to. No? Nine of Pentacles is a blossoming abundance. Kumbaga, Three of Pentacles is collaboration, trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. So, ibig sabihin dito, mukhang lalakas ang negosyo nyo or trabaho. No? Because there's a Six of Swords transition. No? There's a trouble or there's an information na makakaalis ka na sa sitwasyon mo. At the same time, there is Seven of Swords. Mag-ingat lang ha. There's a sneakiness, no? And of course, there's an Eight of Swords. My God, 6, 7, 8. So, ibig sabihin ng Eight of Swords, kailangan mo na kumawala sa mga toxicities. No? Kailangan mo kumawala dyan sa mga nasa paligid mo. And of course, there's a Wheel of Fortune. There's a balance. And of course, there's a bless. No? Kumbaga, destiny to happen. And of course, there's kumbaga may swerte papasok dito. Umikot yung kapalaran na sinasabi dito, nasa iyo ang swerte, no? Pumasok na ang swerte sa iyo. Let's see what is additional messages for the Three of Pentacles. Okay, there's a Three of Wands. Waiting for a result of waiting for a ship. Ibig sabihin dito, there's an pag-aantay, no? Process and progress. No? About sa negosyo, trabaho. Kung may naantay kang trabaho sa ibang bansa, waiting. Kasi there's a trouble by land or by air. Or sinasabi sa'yo dito, kung may naantay kang call or tawag ng sa ibang bansa na kung makakaalis ka na. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, mag-antay ka lang. What is the Nine of Pentacles? There's a magician. There's a manifestation. Na may mga bagay na manifest ka dito. May mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan ka. Parang, ang lakas ng energy dito na chill ka lang dito. Now, at the same time, there is a Four of Wands. Kumbaga, there's, celebrations, no? Transition into celebration. Kung mukhang makakakuha ka na ng opportunities or ng target dito kung paano ka makakaalis sa situation mo. So, what is the Seven of Swords? So, and of course, there's a reward card. Some of you, there's a sneakiness. O may mga tao kumukuha na information sa'yo regarding sa trabaho. Or there's a sneakiness na, kumbaga, pinag-uusapan ka behind your back na mga nasa Pilipinas. Or if you are nasa ibang bansa, so pinag-uusapan ka. Or of course, mag-ingat ka rin. There's a cheating and lying dito, ha? What is the Eight of Swords? So, there's a Three of Cups. There's a celebration na mag-ingat ka dito sa mga tao sa paligid mo, no? At the same time, may third party dito. At sinasabi dito na it's either katrabaho mo or sa negosyo or sa paligid mo, no? Sa surroundings mo, may third party dito na sinasabi sa'yo dito, mag-ingat ka. Maraming lason. Ganon, lason sa eksena. So, what is the Wheel of Fortune? And of course, there is Empress card, rebirth, no? Muling magkakaroon ka ulit ng panibagong eksena dito. Mukhang magtatayo ka ng bagong negosyo, bagong bahay, or there's a new, no? What is that? There's a 333, angel's number, ha? What is the 3 of Pentacles and 3 of Wands? There's a the Sun card. Wow, there's a pure positivity dito na makukuha mo yung success coming your way about sa trabaho na to or about sa naninintay mo. So, ibig sabihin, makakaalis ka na kung pinanatay kang trabaho na tawag. Ibig sabihin na waiting ka lang, matatawagan ka. So, what is the the 9 of Pentacles and the Magician? There's some Emperor, and of course, there's 7 of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin dito, be mature enough, and of course, you are being a boss, and harvest time is coming. No, ibig sabihin dito, mukhang lalakas sa negosyo mo, at tendency mo kang madagdagan ng iyong resource of branches of income, ganon. Umaga mo kang madadagdagan ng negosyo mo, no? And you are being a boss. So, what is the 6 of Swords, and of course, the 4 of Wands? So, there's higher point. Ibig sabihin, the higher point dito na lesson learned, no? Bitawan mo na yung mga bagay na nangyari sa from the past, no? It's a lesson na lang na kumbaga, natagpuan mo at talaga nalagpasan mo yan. At the same time, there's a 6 of Cups. Kumbaga, may cheating talaga dito with your ex, no? With your friends. Kumbaga, sinabi sa'yo dito, mag-ingat ka. Mag-ingat ka dito, either na nasa ibang bansa yung ex mo, o yung jowa mo, tapos binibetray ka, no? Or sinasabi dito, baka may bumalik na ex mo na maging aware ka, baka lolokohin ka ulit nito. There's a cheating and lying. So, what is the 8 of Swords and what's the 3 of Cups? There's a strength card, no? Lakasan mo ang pakiramdam mo. Be strong and be confident. Kumbaga, kilala mo at nararamdaman mo sa paligid mo kung sino yung plastic at lason dyan sa eksena na yan. So, what is the Wheel of Fortune and the Empress card? And of course, there's a 9 of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment and happiness, no? Kumbaga, magiging masaya ka dito. Kasi unti-unti na natutupad yung mga pangarap mo. So, what is additional outcome? Ang outcome is the Judgment, a wake-up call. And of course, there's a 7 of Cups. There's a lot of opportunities coming in for you. And of course, there's a King of Swords. Be intelligence, no? And of course, there's a Devil energy na sinasabi dito na there's an obsessions or there's greedy, something na ayun ang alisin mo, 'di ba? Kumbaga, may mga bagay or situation or attitudes ka na kapag gusto mo isang bagay, gusto mo makuha. So, ibig sabihin dito, hindi naman masama yung ganun. So, kung kaya mo naman. Pero kung hindi mo naman kaya at hindi mo afford, wag mong pilitin, no? Kumbaga, nagkakaroon kasi dito ng kumbaga, abusive on your own self, no? Kumbaga, parang pinipilit mo yung sarili mo, eh. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kung ano yung opportunity pumasok, it's a good part. Sinasabi sa'yo, what is the devil energy? So, there's an Ace of Swords. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a breakthrough, no? Kumbaga, makukuha mo yun, alisin mo lang yung mga tukso, no? Yung mga tukso na alam mong hindi makakabuti sa'yo. Temptations, no? Aware ka dapat dyan. Yun yung nagkakos ng negativity. So, what is additional messages for Yin and Yang Oracle card? Sinasabi dito, mag-ingat ka. Diba? Mag-ingat ka. At maging aware ka at the same time. What is a Yin and Yang? Kasi there's a wish fulfillment dito na kumbaga nakatuparan sa pangarap mo. Kumbaga, and of course, ito biglang blossom ng eksena mo. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a temptation. Siguro it's either with your ex, tapos may jowa ka na. Baka yun yung sinasabi temptation. Marami kasing temptation eh. At the same time, there's a regret, no? Baka pagsisiyan mo sa huli, 'di ba? Na maya may jowa ka na, tapos babalik ka si ex, 'di ba? So, mag-ingat ka. Because there's a celebration and gift, no? Mayroong ibig sabihin dito, may regalo ang universe sa'yo. So, and of course, there's an abundance and celebration coming in. So, additional messages. And of course, there's a distance, retreat, or time out, no? Kumbaga, may kalayuan or there's a long distance relationship, kaya maging aware ka, no? So, what is additional messages for love oracle card? For a love oracle card, get more information, angel, spirit guides. There's a soulmate connection. Some of you, talaga meron kang partner na dito or may love life ka na dito. At the same time, there's a cassette na wag mo nang ulit-ulitin yung nakaraan. 'Di ba? Kung babalik ka nakaraan, hanggang doon na lang. Closure issues na 'yon. At the same time, there's a camera. 'Di ba? Ayun yung sinasabi ko, 'di ba? Learn from the past. 'Di ba? Dapat natuto ka na about sa nakaraan. Wag mo na yan balikan. Kasi magiging sakit lang yan ang ulo mo. Kung alam mo yung naging cause ng sakit ng ulo mo, wag mo nang pilitan balikan. So, let's see what is the messages for you. Ay, my goodness. Sorry. My God, bigla nangati ilong ko na naman. Sorry guys, my goodness. Additional messages. Yan, let's see. What is additional messages? And of course, there's a service. Some of you nakakatulong ka dito sa ibang tao. And of course, there's an acceptance. Yung pagtanggap ng mga bagay na hindi mo na mababalik pa sa nakaraan. Diba? May ganun talaga, diba? So, let's see what is the Moonology. What is the Moonology? A time to give rather than take. Diba? Mas maganda yung ikaw yung nagbibigay ng oras at panahon. Kasi ikaw yung binibigyan ng oras. Diba? Because there's an hold your visions. Panghawakan mo kung ano yung mga nalalaman mo, yung mga bagay na nakikita mo. Diba? At least doon pa lang alam mo na eh. Doon mo makikita kung sino nagsisinungaling behind your back. Diba? At least sa'yo sa sarili mo kung kumbaga nakikita mo yun na yung katotohanan. And of course, yung parang malapit ka na sa katotohanan, diba? What is additional messages? And of course, there is an rejuvenation sa emotions, no? Kumbaga, meron ditong emotions na eksena. May heart-to-heart talk din at the same time. There's a snake off. Release. Alisin mo to kasi may ahas. May ahas. Let's see what is additional messages. Let's see what is additional messages. There's a mother healing. There's a healing eksena rin dito, ha? So, what is the energy? What is this energy? Angel Spirit Guides. Okay. There is a third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. So, ibig sabihin yung mga kinakain nyo, mag-ingat-ingat din kayo. Because there's an angel of love. So, ibig sabihin, there's a love loom, no? Kumbaga, there's a love involved talaga. At the same time, kumbaga, tinutulungan ka ng ating angel dito sa pagdating sa pag-ibig kung sino talaga yung pipiliin mo. And of course, there's a door to personal healing and happiness. No? May pintuan talaga para sa kaligayahan at para sa kagalingan. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a study. Marami kang natutunan at marami kang nalaman dito. And of course, there's a career change. Na may mga bagay na kailangan mo nang baguhin. Diba? Kung alam mo walang benefits at of course, parang mas malakas pa yung, mas malaki pa yung sakit ng ulo kaysa dun sa eksena na yung, so baguhin mo na. Diba? So, what is the Romance Angels? What is the Romance Angels? This could be the one. So, ibig sabihin, you already met the romantic partner you seek. Diba? Yung hinahanap mo, maaaring natagpuan mo na, or nakita mo na, or nakasama mo na, or nakakasama mo na. And of course, there's a you deserve love. Diba? Deserve mo mahalin at mahalin ka. Because you are lovable. So, what is the chakra? Chakra is guilt, no? Kumbaga, may guilt ditong eksena. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo, baka may galit sa'yo yung ibang tao or something, or yung mga tao sa paligid mo. And of course, there's a perseverance. Pagtyaga-tyaga, diba? Tyagaan mo yung mga bagay-bagay. Kung gusto mo talagang makuha yung isang bagay, pagtyagaan mo. Hindi yan nakukuha sa madalian. And of course, sinasabi rin sa'yo dyan na there's a balance. No? Kailangan mo maging balance sa mga bagay-bagay. Spiritual man yan or practicality, being a balance. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? Fear not little flocks, for it is your Father. Good pleasures you give the kingdom. So, ibig sabihin dito, ibig sabihin dito may mga bagay na kumbaga, huwag kang matakot 'no, madapa at huwag kang matakot magkamali. So, ibig sabihin na binibigay ni God yan kasi, dun ka niya palalakasin at dun ka niya patitibayin. Yung mga bagay na yan, it's an opportunity to learn at it's an opportunity to grow, 'di ba? Dun ka magkakaroon ng, learn and expand and of course expansion, 'di ba? Dun mo malalaman ang kahalagahan ng lahat ng bagay. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? What is Archangel Michael messages? And of course, your inner guidance is real and trustworthy. Ibig sabihin yung mga gabay mo daw. Mapagkakatiwalaan mo daw yan. At the same time, spend more time outdoor. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo rin magliwali o kailangan mo rin huminga na kahit papano sa ibang lugar. Diba? Kumbaga, para ma-retreat din yung utak mo. So, what is Archangel Raphael messages? What is Archangel Raphael messages for you? Archangel Raphael messages. Pick me a card, Archangel Raphael messages. Archangel Raphael messages. Pick me a card. Ay, very wrong. Wala siyang shuffle muna tayo. Okay. Archangel Raphael messages. Give me one more card. Okay. Wow, dalawa ha. Home help. Ibig sabihin dito, humingi ka ng tulong sa kanya pagdating sa inyong tahanan. At the same, natutulungan kanya at kagalingan daw sa bahay nyo. And call upon Archangel Raphael for help. ba? Diba? Kailangan mo ng tulong ni Archangel Raphael sa kagalingan sa lahat ng aspeto. ba? Diba? Ibig sabihin dito, hilingin mo sa kanya yung mga tao sa paligid mo na, kumbaga, hilumin na nakaraan. Hilumin na at kalimutan na ang nakaraan, 'di ba? Wag nang balik-balikan, 'di ba? Kumbaga, kung hindi para sa iyo, ialis na lang sa iyo. Kung para sa iyo, stay for you, 'di ba? What is the angel's number? There's a 28. I am a leader. So sinasabi dito na I am an effort to accomplish great things. You recognize the value of working with others. You make a capable and compassionate leader who can bring people together and drive a team towards achievement. So, ibig sabihin, kaya mo raw mamuno, no? Kaya mong umpisahan ng laban, diba? Kaya mong ipanalo rin at the same time, diba? Kumbaga, kumbaga, kayang-kaya mong, kumbaga, mapasunod sila sa mga bagay na kagustuhan mo. Kumbaga, alam mo sa sarili mo kung ano yung grounds mo, no? So, let's see what is the messages of life. At the same time, guys, there's a love appears. So, let's see. I re-announce my faith and release my resistance. Today, I choose to reside in the light of being. I rise up boldly and ask for the understanding that will free me. My duality, my prayers are heard, and God sends angelic help so that love and peace find their way to me when I open my eyes, love of you. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, talagang kaugnay ka talaga sa pagmamahal, no? Ibig sabihin dito, sa lahat ng aspeto, kumbaga, mas nananaig yung pagmamahal kaysa dun sa galit, no? Na nangyari from the past. So, sinasabi lang sa'yo dito na bitawan at pakawalan ng nakaraan, 'di ba? Bumangon at mahalin ang kasalukuyan. So, guys, this reading is general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. This reading is special gabay for the month of September 19 hanggang September 25 for the sign of Aries. Maraming salamat, Aries, for your wonderful reading and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!